our Whissel widget of the week. This is something that we use in our business or in our life that saves us time, makes us money, or helps us have more fun. Erin, I'll let you go first. What is your Whissel widget of the week?
My widget of the week is Text Expander. I'm going to give a shout out to our Director of Operations, Miss Shannon Yousefi. She's amazing, FYI. Text Expander is just an extension that you download onto the computer, and you set up little smart
Shortcuts.
abbreviations and shortcuts. And when I am chasing my 92 cats and having to type the same paragraph every single 92 of those cats, it's really nice to just type in 3 letters and have the whole paragraph type out for me. I am currently in the process of building out email templates and templates for all kinds of things. And every time I do one, I get so excited. It's literally saved me so much time.
Stupid little things like .em space is what I have is for my email address.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's like so easy.
It's so lovely.
I have things like .mmm and it says Media Mayor Mastermind and it has the URL. So literally just doop, there it is.
It's
so
amazing.
Common things. Kyle uses this when you DM him about the Perfect 10 checklist. He'll probably have a text expander thing where he just does .perfect 10 and it'll have a paragraph. So that way he can give you all the information without searching it, finding it, copying and pasting it. It's great. And they have a keyboard for iPhone as well that you can use.
It's amazing.
It's great. My widget is something that's been around for a long time, something I never knew how to use, something that I'm really learning to enjoy, helps me learn things that I didn't know I needed. And it's not new, but it's it's Reddit. Sorry, that's a different one. It's Reddit. And what I love about Reddit is you can subscribe to different topics. I think they call them subreddits, but things that you're interested in. And it will show you conversations that people are having around those topics. So things like Chat GPT, marketing. If you like a sports team, I guarantee you they have subreddits on that. They have a lot of subreddits on things that are particular to hobbies. So I'm sure they have gardening and all sorts of
sourdough bread making.
I'm sure they have something like that. So it's great to see kind of niche topics that constantly get posted about. It's kind of we talk about geographic farming in a certain geographical location, right? San Diego. This is kind of a way to do demographic, not necessarily farming, but based on a certain topic. So Reddit is my widget. Erin, I know someone's watching this. I know lots of people are watching this and they absolutely love you. They want to pick your brain. They want more information. How do they get in touch with you?
You can email me at Erin, ERIN, at whistlerealty.com.
And Erin is the best at email. She has like one email in her email inbox at a time because she filters it everywhere and it's always at 0 to the point where I'm like, ooh, I need to send out a lot of emails. I'm going to use Erin's email as the follow-up because she will make sure things get responded to, that they get logged. So if you email her, she will get it. If you ask her a dumb question, she'll probably tell you it was a dumb question. No, I'm kidding. Erin's the mom here. We love her. Thank you so much. I know you added massive value.
Good. I'm glad. I'm happy to be here.
We will see you next week on the Whissel Way podcast.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.